Elements of Earth magnetic field. Elements of Earth magnetism. So we can say these are the points, or these are the points by which we can determine the earth magnetic field. We can determine earth magnetic field at any point on earth surface. These points play very important role while we are determining the earth magnetic field at any point on earth surface. The first point is here, declination. So we can write down at any point on earth surface. At any point on earth surface. First we are defining a point on earth surface. The angle between geographical meridian and magnetic meridian. The angle between geographical meridian and magnetic meridian is called declination. So meaning is that at any given point we have to draw the first geographical meridian and then magnetic meridian. So whatever the angle between these two, that can be said as a declination. If we are making a such plane like this, let this is the plane, can be said as a geographical meridian. And in short we are writing GM. And at the same point, let this is point P or any point here. So at the same point we are making a magnetic meridian. So this is the another plane, that is also a vertical plane. So this plane is magnetic meridian. In short we can write MM, magnetic meridian. So this is the angle between geographical meridian and magnetic meridian. This angle we can sometimes define with a phi. This phi is called declination or simply angle of declination. Second point, angle of dip. Or only we are saying dip also. So we can write here at magnetic meridian angle made by freely suspended magnet with the horizontal. Angle made by freely suspended magnet with horizontal. at magnetic meridian, angle made by freely suspended magnet with horizontal is called dip or angle of dip, or angle of dip. In fact, freely suspended magnet is always magnet is always directed towards earth magnetic field, So angle of dip is the angle made by earth field with horizontal, is the angle made by earth field with horizontal. So this is your magnetic meridian. If in this meridian, if we are suspending a bar magnet, so let our magnet is directed in this direction. If the magnet is directed in this direction, so this is the direction of, in fact, earth magnetic field, let we can say B, or BE we can say. This is the horizontal component of, this is the resultant earth magnetic field, E indicate earth. So in the magnetic meridian, angle subtended by the earth field with a horizontal, this angle called your theta. So we should be clearly defined here. Theta is the dip angle. While here we can write phi is angle of declination, and phi is the angle made by the geographical meridian and magnetic meridian.